What's up, everyone? It's day, I think, what, day 3? Day 2?
2.
2. 2 is qualifying day. And we did shit yesterday, but we're gonna try to do better today. We're doing some influencer photo shoot, so go check it out. Changing some gears. Can you go in there and take it out of gear? That's how easy it is to change your gear ratio. Shit. There's a lot of metal in there, though. I didn't wear the copper attire for the job. Nima's getting interviewed by 1320 Video. friend Jeff.
This is my friend Jose. Some of you may have heard
Yo.
of him.
Okay.
Opening right here in the burnout box. This is the longest route around the track. You get a little air in the car if you need to cool down for just a second. Feel something weird before you get to me, you can stop and tell me. I'll be able to get on the radio and you can come out and exit and fix it. If you don't feel it until you get to Nick, that's fine too.
How are you feeling?
A little nervous.
Be nervous.
Why?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What do you have to be nervous about?
Nothing
Oh,
to be
you.
nervous
Oh, you want to say you were the first. As soon as we got here, I'm nervous.
Well, I'm nervous till I get my first lap in, then I'm good.
Well, I'm nervous.
You'll be
Jeff's
good.
watching. I'm fucking nervous.
You should be.
If I don't qualify, he's gonna yell at me.
Yeah.
You gonna kill it, boys?
You have to qualify. There's only 26.
Ma'am, I'm nervous. I don't know where I qualified. Did you hear what the number was when I qualified?
No,
No?
I didn't.
Jesus Christ, you had one job. One job. Crew, what's going on with you, crew? What are you
I
doing?
thought my job was
You had
to
one job.
film.
You had one job, crew. What were you doing, crew?
Drinking.
Where you going,
It's
Dean?
not raining today. It's nice, finally.
Nice.
Yeah. It was like a river here yesterday.
Got anything to say?
Kill it.
You got anything to say?
Absolutely nothing to say. I'm speechless.
Oh God, here we
Do
go.
you have any words?
Do I have any words? No. I'm not too confident today.
Why? Tell us your thoughts.
We qualified 20th out of 23 people.
We qualified, that's what counts. Did we qualify or did we qualify?
I like his shoes. He looks like he's ready to get in the ring.
What?
He looks like he's ready to get in the ring.
So we qualified 20th. There's 23 people. Didn't do the best, obviously. We're going up against Garrett here. Did shreds, so I got my work cut out for me. Garrett! welder. Hey, where you? What the you guys have going on over here?
This is my welding mask.
Jordan, what's your let me see your welding mask.
It's my phone. Just look at my phone.
Oh,
Hey,
shit.
let's go to the stores now.
Jeff, what's going on over there, bro? What's Jordan doing?
Messing around a bit.
Messing around.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our notes. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again. Cause